Hello everyone, Farid here from Beep. In this video, I want to explain to you how you can actually use our Jira integration, select project for Beeps and directly tag your Jira teammate and assign projects to them. But before we get into that, if you have any questions, just email me at farid@justbeepit.com. We usually reply within a few hours. Now, let's get into it. So in order to select the Jira project, first of all, let's create a Beep. I will just do Alt or Option plus C. Click here, and let's say I want to ask my teammate to change this. For example, change this to red, right? Okay, I wrote this wrong. First of all, what I can do is I can go here to projects, and here I will see all of the tools that I've connected. In my case, it's Notion and Jira, and I can select the projects from Jira that I've connected. I have connected the bug project. I will select it. Then I can select the issue. For example, it's a task, and I will click Save. Now, as you can see, this project is selected. Now, in order to assign this to a teammate, all I need to do is Alt J and plus J for Jira. Basically, when I do that, I get my Jira team, and here I can select anyone from Jira. For example, I will just click here, and as you can see, this person, the blockchain guy, his username is selected. And when I click Save, this will be sent to Jira and assigned to blockchain guy as a task. This is how easy it is, and you can do it from anywhere on the web, on any website, anywhere on the screen, just assigning tasks to your teammates directly in Jira. And we also have the same for other tools as well, for Slack, Notion, Zapier, Telegram, and many other tools coming later as well, in case you're using something else as well. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and yeah, that's it. See you guys. Bye bye.